They love it when I turn off the bass.
Did they get loose on us? I'm a bitter. I know Grandpa thinks I'm the best.
2 uploads and a stream. Stop trying to outdo me, G. Hey, I'm just taking your advice. But the 2 uploads a day, that's gonna be every day. Streaming every day, that ain't gonna be every day. Maybe every other day at best. But I still got a lot of games I need to make videos out of.
Oh man, I almost had the Leland dead.
Horizon Zero Dawn, by the way. Yeah, I don't know if I ever heard of that game. Or if I did, I never like took interest in playing it. Is that person up here already? Oh no, I was about to say, what the hell?
You're looking downright
Chasing Connie.
back and killing for him.
Connie's came up car parts.
If you get 20 blood, just give it to Grandpa to get level 1.
See what you made me? If you just listen, I wouldn't have to do this.
Wait, that noise is somebody coming up from the other room.
Grandpa taught me this little trick.
They're all here.
Go ahead.
I know I heard it. Connie's dropping down well on the side of the house.
Come on out, little piggy.
Come on out, little piggy.
Where's his box? Okay, front bedroom.
Yeah, I got it trapped already. It's Steve's fault we lost the lance. I know you didn't lose the lance. No way. What up, Jamal? Try to break those doors in the house if we're not having any action anywhere.
Alright, I'm just checking the doors right now.
Yeah.
I should have made more of them traps.
Connie's gonna try to. Someone just came out by the thick. Oh no, that's Cook. Connie wants to try to defuse, so.
Did they open up the little crawl space?
Yeah, to get him inside.
I destroyed the crawl space leading to the outside, so that should be taken care of. Let me.
I keep hearing Cook. Thinking he's an enemy.
Damn kids. Where'd they go?
Hello?
Yo.
Hello.
What up? We're in a game right now, but.
Wait, who's... Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I will wait.
Alright.
Why is Cook not checking on those doors?
Got one, left battery.
On my way.
Sonny's hurt, or that's Julie. Julie's hurt bad. Oh, that's Anna. What am I talking
Yeah, that's on it. She just needs one more hit or two.
about?
She probably has no cell on.
It's alright. She's incapacitated. I'm going down to get her.
Alright. The looks. I'll check on car parts. I think they might be. Yeah, Connie just came up car parts.
Oh, I couldn't get her. She got up.
Connie dead.
Leland's downstairs with me.
Is he up?
You just opened that door right there. He's getting hit by Cook.
I'm tired of messing.
Yeah, I see Leland. He's near tool storage.
So it's going to well. He's probably going to well, right?
Got him.
Alright, all my traps are good. Oh, dude, I didn't reset that other one. Fuck, I gotta go do that.
I'll go quickly check on it.
Yeah, left side battery.
Left side battery is still good.
Load please. I ain't going with 4 and 9 downs.
Right side is good.
Nearest 3 stack with 2 stack, especially. Nearest thinks he's that guy.
What is all the others doing? Why's this dragging out?
Man got on PC, switching devices, gonna help. I think I just heard one over here.
Going to split.
I know I ain't hearing shit. Maybe I am hearing shit. Boom, boom, boom. Tomorrow you're him, but also there's a server I always play with a massive disadvantage. Alright, back of the house, side of the house. I don't know exactly what Anna's doing, but...
Back of the house or side?
Yeah, she's in the back now, going towards well in the center.
In the center?
Nope, she's coming to you now. Go down the basement, go down the basement.
On it.
She might be incapped again. Yeah, she's incapacitated. That means she's dead. I already incapped her once. She should be fully dead.
She's full dead, yeah.
It's just Julie.
Nice. How are your traps?
My traps are good.
Here you go, Grandpa.
Then maybe right side container could be picked by now. No, it's not. We're still good on all our.
Yeah, we got the alerts on, so if they get through anywhere good, we'll be able to get them.
You have dinner bell?
Yeah, I got dinner bell.
Alright.
But our grandpa perk, I'm saying we have that. So Julie's right here, left side gen.
Outside Jen? Okay. She gonna well?
Oh, I was about to say she's just not dying. Make some money back. What we see. Might be the world's first T5. Well, I guess our other guy left, so.
I don't much enjoy this. Some things just gotta be done.
Damn, that's crazy that they banned Scars on Twitch. He was just like picking it up too. That's why I don't even play.
One valve location?
Damn it. I got hit by Leland.
One what?
Only one valve location?
Yeah. No. There's 3 on this map total, but it can only spawn in one spot.
Not yet. They weren't ready.
I'm too dang old and worn out
Damn
for
it.
this
I
nonsense.
got gate and fuse box
Why's
trap.
this on me to fix?
Rad, someone who lacks gun skill. Who lacks gun skill relies entirely sitting behind a corner while tired of the game, never changing a one-on-one gunfight, so they hide until their friends have. Yeah, I don't really think that's a rat, but. Yeah, I don't think that's a rat. I think that's a bad take on it.
Oh my god, please don't stall. Fuck! I have Connie in front of me, man.
Damn kids. Where'd they go?
Oh, I wouldn't trap the ladder anymore. That shit's a waste.
Julie's up.
Julie's going to be welling by, oh, never mind, she's going down the center. I ain't going to be able to catch her. I got you, though.
She's going back through that other gap.
Yep.
She's going into house.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
She's
someone
behind the door.
went up the ladder.
She's confused on
That was
what's
Julie
going
that
on.
went up.
One, two. Julie's out back of the house now.
I'm coming out.
Anna just came up the ladder, I believe.
She's going down well.
Yeah, but I think Anna or some other girl just came up here by the thicket. Yep, it was Leland.
He's welling.
Someone came up this motherfucker, dog.
Anyone know where? Oh, okay, Fuse is outside Grandpa's shed. Yeah, one is in front bedroom. Unless that was one of you guys.
Nah, we're not over there.
I'm right here.
So there was someone here.
Right here in the bathroom. It's Anna. Going through the crawl space. Going through the other crawl space, going outside.
Just listen,
She's going to well down the basement.
we're coming to you now. I can't hear nothing.
1, 2, 3. All my locks are good.
My traps are good. Leland's on ladder. He's going over towards the valve exit area, welling.
I can't hear nothing with all this dang racket.
I knocked him down into the well.
How are the gates looking?
My trap on left gate for us right now is still good.
All my gates are good.
Okay.
Latch this door for me, Hitch, if you can.
I'm gonna feed Grandpa real quick.
Yeah. There's one below storage. Storage.
Oh, I see Connie.
Julie's going up mechanic shop.
All right, I'm gonna head over there, try to cut her off maybe.
She said she's going up mechanic.
I'm on my way.
Take this now.
Yeah, I see Anna in the basement
It'll
still.
perk you right up.
Leland might, you know, he might hit Grandpa up, so just be careful.
I'm on my way over there right now.
I hit Anna a couple times. Fuck.
I mean, she's marked for a good bit. All my locks are good.
Alright, I'm gonna be on her ass for a little bit. And then I'm gonna switch off.
Hitch, somebody's in the back room, back room. Yep, it was Leland. Ain't no way he gets that lock off, so.
No, he's coming right to me.
Yeah, he might end up trying to go through house.
He
No,
barged me.
dropped your ass.
Yep. He's not going down well though.
Nah, he's staying up. All my locks are good.
My traps are set.
He's taking valve handle. He has valve handle. All
Did
my
he
locks
just
are
well?
good. Yeah, he welled down by ladder.
He's got valve too.
Wait, I think I saw someone near one of
He
the
did,
gates. Julie.
by the house,
Yep,
by
right
the
here,
house.
Anna's inside. She's going through a crawl space. She's at the back of the house right now.
Yeah, I see her.
It's Julie here too.
Go ahead, get that
Got
on
her.
there, yep.
Julie's going through the crawl space, going towards well. She's
Yep.
welling.
Where's the
Yeah,
where's the tank at? Back of the house. I'm gonna go kind of chill by that a little bit. Up, left side battery. Left side battery. Go, 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 go.
I'm going for the Julie right now.
Yeah, left side battery is gonna get them out. Go ahead, Hitch. Get your ass in there, boy. Don't fix that trap.
Julie's
just
a
go.
ticket ladder. She's climbing up. She's climbing up. She's made it all the way up.
I can't count on no one around here. Better get to it.
Yep, she's at go. You can go fix your trap now, Hitch. I'll just stay over here.
Where did she go? Does anyone know?
One was by left side battery, but somebody's over here. That. Yep, here goes one by one's by the house. One's by the house. Probably doing valve in the back.
Yep. I'm
on
headed
my way.
there.
I can't run there because I'll leave this open.
Valve is still not on.
Yeah, there's somebody over here.
They're somewhere here, dude. I'm telling you.
You gotta be inside the house.
I got batteries, so you guys just worry about everything else.
Don't worry about fuse too.
Oh, one
Victim
just got
snared.
trapped. Perfect.
Was it at gate?
I'm
Yeah,
over
it was
here,
at
Julie.
gate.
What up, girl? She's going to well. She's going to well right here. She's gonna be. She should be in cap.
I'm replacing my trap again.
Yep. All my locks are good. All my locks are good.
My trap on fuse is still good. I'm not worried about the ladder. trap
Connie,
on-
I know you're over here, Connie. Where are you at? Stop trying to play love games with me, girl. Are you waiting for me to turn my back so you can do battery and pop lock? It's not happening.
Should I come and help?
Nah. We're good. We're good. You guys keep patrolling over there.
Alright.
I told you I didn't.
Should be stuck here forever. I don't care.
Should go back to valve.
Boom, boom, boom. Connie, I know you're over here somewhere.
Somebody just opened that gate.
There.
Connie. So I got Connie that was over here. Julie just was
Connie's
over
running
here.
out. She's gonna probably well.
Nope.
She's not welling?
No, I hit her. She did.
Okay, nice.
So then, you're saying Leland was over here? Leland opened this shit?
Someone put on the valve.
That's gonna be Leland. He had it. You guys gotta attack that as a team. All my locks are good. All
I'm
my
gonna go
locks
get
are
a
good.
trap and trap it.
Fuck, he hit me.
Yeah, just
I'm
have them go
stunned,
turn
I'm
it off
stunned.
first. Priorities turn that off first.
Working on it.
Victim snared.
It's on fuse. It's Julie.
Fuse off.
Going downstairs.
I'm
Julie's
pretty
going
sure
down.
that there's someone still inside the house.
It's alright. Got this guy getting marked over here.
Julie's
That
gonna
Leland
well.
or Julie?
She's not welling.
Okay, so we got one in the basement. Oh, never mind. So Leland's still inside the house somewhere.
Julie's coming basement through a workshop. I'm hitting her a lot. Connie's right here. I'm fighting Connie at shed basement. Anna's.
Yeah,
or
we
Julie's
got no
here.
help over there.
I got or Connie. No, I didn't. What?
One's coming up our house basement right now.
Are they? Okay, cool.
It's Julie. She's marked.
I'm on Connie right now. She went over the thing. I can't get to her.
All my locks are good.
I'm still patrolling tank right now. Not sure where the Leland's at.
Yeah, I mean, we could technically leave tank. I can go over there, maybe. Here,
I see the Leland. I see the Leland.
Where's he
Oh
at?
my god, I missed him. Fuck.
Yeah, you can chase him. I'll take tank. I'll take tank. He's
He's
going
in
outside
bathroom.
crack.
Yeah, he's going outside crack. He's gonna
He's just
well.
at the
Okay, cool.
well.
I'm gonna try to
He's
chase him
gonna be
down.
marked for a while too. All my locks are good.
I'm resetting my trap on fuse since they didn't get that open.
They just opened up a car, whatever that is.
Car parts. Yeah.
Yeah. I call it mechanics, but yeah, they just opened up. That's probably gonna be Connie too. Alright, I'm about to mark somebody down there for you. There goes leaving.
Julie's up in
He's
the
coming up
workshop.
house basement.
Yeah, I got him.
Dead.
I got him. Good shit.
I'm on Julie and workshop right now.
Yep, I'm about to mark Connie. Here goes Julie for you. She's gonna come side crack.
Yep.
I know you don't want to well, right? Yeah, that would hurt.
Is the any word on the Connie? I'm still trying
Connie's
to.
downstairs.
Is she moving at all?
I mean, I hit her bad. She's probably gonna pass out. Connie is. She's not doing anything, but she was by mechanic shop.
I'm gonna go feed
That's
Grandpa.
generator.
You need a little blood. Perk you right up.
Check my locks again. My locks are good.
I'm looking out.
She's
for
by
her.
she's by mechanic shop. Go ahead and rev. Go ahead and rev. Rev over there. Go to the right side, all the way to the right by the tires. Yep, there you go.
Right here.
She's coming.
Yeah, I see her.
How you doing, girl?
I hate the camera. I'm going down.
She should be in cap.
Yeah.
Wait. If she's in cap, let me get the gallows.
She's not in cap.
Oh, damn it. No, did I carry her? Please don't tell me I did. Yes. Where's the closest
Hey.
one? I'm not gonna make it, am I?
You won't. You'll make it unless she leaves. I'm out of here, Fonz. Hope you have a great stream. Appreciate you, my boy. Peace.
Wait, where's the nearest one though?
Oh,
Am I-
she fell. She DC'd.
left.
What a jerk.
Tragic.
What a jerk. Little 3230.